Hello guys, good day to you all. Welcome to God Send and Precious TV. Guys, if today is the first day for seeing this video, you are not yet subscribed to our TV, please kindly subscribe to us. Make you subscribe for us. Our old time subscribe, we thank on our well for being there for us. We thank you guys for always watch our video. We appreciate you guys. May God in heaven continue to bless you guys in Jesus' name. And today, before I go to the reason I'm here today, this our TV will talk about life experience, what you happen to your friend, what you happen to your neighbor, what you experience for life, with the talk and come out, maybe people till they get sense, and maybe people see they use until they do something for life, use until they see they do say, I hear say na so this thing happen that day, where I hear am for YouTube. So I don't do my own like this, because if I do one like this, maybe I feel to make mistake the way person me. So that's the reason why we talk about life experience. So and we see they say hair, all kind of hair you need. If na Brazilian hair, human hair, Indian hair, real virgin hair, we have it. And I see they say product called Fit Screamer. So today topic, my girlfriend just called me today. So this my girlfriend, he have another girlfriend. They have been living together since 2009, because they call Europe 2009, even call me there for a year. So two of them, they live together now. They live together 2009. So one boy when they toast girl, toast one for inside for Facebook, see each other for Facebook. They don't want to cause the toast for Facebook. So they call they toast each other. That is, I mean, one boy call they toast two of them. You don't know say they be friend. So you know say they be friend. I go say yeah, as I know say not go ask say two friends, you know they snap picture together. You wanna wait me land off first. So meanwhile, this boy they use one name for Facebook. You hear me? And the boy na very wicked person. The boy know say the girl, two of them are friends, because if they see two of this one for friends for Facebook, you see two of them for friends for Facebook. So now the boy can they toast two of them, and the boy they toast two of them now. They don't really accept. So this one for this Christmas, so well, this one say you want to go greet a boyfriend. You see how you might be wicked rich. This boy wicked rich. They don't want to carry back say you want to go see him blah blah. You don't want to carry back say you want to go see him blah blah. They reach there now. They come. This one say na this city. They don't want to say in the same city. But they don't want to say na Bologna. They go. They don't want to say na Padova. Padova and Bologna, it's not too far for each other. So just let's say 10 minutes or 15 minutes for trade. So the boy he go na Padova, na the boy they stay gang. The boy go tell the one with the Padova say he want go see his friend for so place like this. You know say na his girlfriend he go dey see for Bologna, and that boy come say me the girl come stay his house. He come by tell that girl like say in dey work for Padova, say na every money anything they come as if you come ask the money, you go still go back in the evening. Meanwhile, na lie, na this boy they talk, just they play two of them, and this boy no say two of them they be best friend. You see how you might be wickedish. So God want really punish the girl and the boy the boy called drop food. The one with the part of her, as now there the boy they stay, so he called drop food. As he drop food, he want to go bath. As he want to go bath, the one with the Bologna, he call the boy. May ask us whether he don't reach work. You hear me? As people the wicked rich. So he call him. As he call him, he come say, our girlfriend. Come say na girlfriend number. He come say, the girl come dey provoke, say, now so this girl be, he just carry my boyfriend, because say I know because you just talk to my boyfriend that day, you just climb my boyfriend number, say no you call they call my boyfriend, all those kind of things. Now the girl come So he can't keep quiet, just behave like wetin as in nothing happen, no even know the number. And meanwhile, this boy, if you want call am, if the number wey take call that one, I go still take call this one. You see as some boys wicked for Europe. See am. So this girl na wey dey Padova, that one already know her girlfriend, at least person and the guy stay together supposed to know her number, he or her number of her. So he come climb and that one come keep quiet, that one no talk. After the boy come out, so he come call him girlfriend, they all sit talk. He come say, where your boyfriend? Say, my boyfriend, they go work. They don't say, where your boyfriend? My boyfriend come out, they come, they laugh. The one way they part of an person will be say, na patient, not the person will get prepared body, because I wish that person will get prepared body. Two of them for quarrel for that fool. Say, I just say me to greet my boyfriend. You just greet and you just climb the number, put for head. And so you be there for quarrel. But God was so faithful. God was so faithful. Sorry guys, the noise you heard is my daughter noise. You know mother. That's so mother they be. You must hear the sound of a baby. I bet more you listen to the voice for the background. When I listen to the discuss, when I discuss come. The topic when I bring come. So now the one with the part of I can't keep quiet. You can't get patient, you not talk. You understand? You can't bear them. So you can't now she with the part of her. Now if come out, go by. So you can't come out, go the city where he dey. So the other one now, he comes dey with her boyfriend. So after some days, he come a bit 2 days after he come. So the girlfriend comes and say, babe, I see you the call, you call my boyfriend. I heard my boyfriend asked, my boyfriend go back. I see your number, you call my boyfriend. The girl say, you don't call your boyfriend. You say you call her, you don't call your boyfriend. Because say, okay, you know what will go happen if you say you don't call my boyfriend. Bring your phone. I know my boyfriend number of him. So he can't really die the boy number. As he die for phone, because and say, nah, your friend. The one they call boyfriend. 2 of them, one boy you fuck 2 best friend. Then you see how some boys wicked rich. He can't fuck 2 girlfriend. So those girls, the one with this small one. Then the one with the boy carry go Bologna and first don't they do go. You snatch her. The girl went down and that one see mature pass. Then call and say, come, you know the reason. Now Facebook you foresee this boy, right? See na Facebook, see the Facebook when I foresee her. Not be the same name. See the one we foresee her. Not be the same name. He can't pull brave for that small one head. That call only come. That cause say not true to they talk. Because say what we want can do now. Because okay, you know what go happen. May we tell us say we they come, or may he come. So God want really punish the boy. The boy currently come the city. So as he come the city now, he come as he can't tell the boy say the place where they come so you say we not fit go my girlfriend house. You say we not fit go my house because you say na 2 of us na guy the stairs and I want 2 of us self contained every day. So you know what go happen? We'll go rent hotel. The 2 days when you spend, no worry, I go pay. So the girl, the senior one for inside, I mean they talk so because that one still match up and the boy can say okay. The boy can say okay, not tell your friend say I can't visit you. Can say no, time to go to say I dey go work. I will come if I dey go work. I'll come if I see they come for work. I'll come. So after the boy arrange, the girl come let him sleep with him first, enjoy the last sex first. So he can't call his friends. He can't come and say he want to do something. He want go do space and make the boy fall. And the boy say no, he no fit. So you know your fit come out. He just tired, all those kind of things. Try to give any excuse. And the guy say, we're just going to come parade the boy. The boy currently go follow and come out. You know say girlfriend, they don't already plan. They go meet up for Piazza, for guiding. They meet up for Piazza, see beat. They beat the boy. They beat the boy. They pack some guys jump body. They beat the boy. They negate the boy. They really beat nonsense. Come off the boy high. They come tell the boy say, this will be your last. wey be say you get, you know say these two person na two friend, you want make you cause quarrel, they come try to ask the boy say, how this it take happen, how come? The boy come tell them say na one the other of their friend wey the guy dey go work na set two of them up. You see how human be wicked. They go see meet the girl, they come see fight with the girl. So this girl come call me, come tell me say, see wetin happen. I come tell am say make you just forget as everything happen, e happen for reason. So una no quarrel. So I come try settle them. The reason why I come out like this, come still talk am. Say this thing fit still happen to two friends wey be say they know say that two friends they be best friend. They'll try make dem bring quarrel between two of them, so that wetin this one do for this one, so use am move this one, this one for this one, their secrets dem go leak am. You see how you must be. So my dear sister, if you just still get friend, person dey tell you say na so my friend do, na so my friend do, na so my friend do, try to vandalize the matter first before you judge. So as you hear this story, you never hear subscribe to my TV, please make you subscribe. For our whole time subscribe, we really appreciate you guys. We appreciate you for being there for us, and we appreciate you for always watch our video. See you in my next video. You know say I'm a mother, I know if you take for here, so you can hear the background, you can hear the noise for background. So now let me leave you guys for now. See you in my next video. Bye and have a wonderful day. Ciao.